Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a maintenance today, a PM preventative maintenance today here for a restaurant. And some of the things that we look at are, for example, the condensers here. We wash them with the water hose, just to make sure you can see some of the dirt falling on the bottom where they're dirty. And so we do that. We check the Freon, we check the amps, compressors, volts, all the mechanical parts. Something else that we check also is we check the makeup airs, like these right here. They push out hot air from the kitchen. Make sure the belts are good. Check the motor, the amperage on the motors, and the bearings, and anything that needs to get oiled and things like that, lubricated. The other one we check is the makeup air, and there's a fan inside a belt. You can see in here, see the belt. We check the belt, check the motor, make sure everything's working good. There's another small one over there that we check as well. So this is a little walk-in cooler, and we have another cooler over there right behind me. You can see that one there. Check the air conditioners. I got one of my guys out here. I'll show you here. I got Frank right there working on the air conditioner. He's changing out the filters. Filter back there, you see they're dirty right behind him. And here's the other air conditioner that we're servicing. You can see the filters are back over there as well. Dirty filters. And we washed these, cleaned them. We washed the air conditioners, cleaned them, checked for airflow, good airflow, check the motors. You know, they're about a 30 or 40 point check, but it takes a few hours to do a full thorough. You got some refrigeration inside as well. So call us for our AC heating and plumbing needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheatingandplumbing.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.